So how many types of moves are there in COBOL? We have 6 types of moves: simple or elementary move, relative move, reference modification move, group move, corresponding move, and qualifier move, right? So yesterday we discussed about the simple move, right? So what is simple move? To allocate or assign the data to COBOL variables. Okay. So the syntax is move value or data to that variable. Okay. So yesterday I am moving move 10 to variable A. I can see the output 10 only. Okay. Right. Respond.
One.
So I am moving mainframes to WSSTR. Okay. And the mainframe's length is what? 10 bytes, and here alphanumeric data also having 10 bytes of memory. So I can see 10 bytes of memory mainframes in the output screen. So here what is my data type? Alphanumeric. So with 10 bytes of memory. So I'm allocating money only. Means I'm allocating 4 bytes of memory to WSSTR now. So in my output screen, I can see money with 4 bytes and remaining 6 bytes with spaces. Okay, these dashes are spaces. So for our understandable purpose, I kept as underscore. Okay, clear?
Yes, Mani.
So next move is what? Relative move. So the syntax what? Copy data from one variable to another variable. Means it may be variables, we can also call it as data items and data names and identifiers also, right? So the syntax is move variable 1 or data item 1 or data item 2. Which variable? Variable 2 or data item 2 or data name 2. Okay, all these are same only variables. These are different names for the variable only. Means we are copying one variable to another variable. Means we are copying from source to destination variable. Okay. So here in the destination, all characters and digits will be impacted. Okay. So here I am moving two variables A and B, moving IBM to A. That is a simple move. And moving variable to another variable. It is relative move. So in output I can see display AB IBM only. Okay. So here the destination variable, all characters will be impacted. Okay. So you can see my numeric data type with 5 bytes 1 2 3 4 5, numeric 5 bytes, another data is 5 6 7 8 9. So I'm moving A to B. Display B. I can see output like 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay.
Yes,
I'm moving
Mani.
source A to B. Destination all value is impacted. Okay. So in this example, alphanumeric 5 bytes COBOL, alphanumeric 8 bytes spaces. Moving A to B. So moving COBOL to 8 spaces. B variable. So first 5 bytes are filled with COBOL and remaining 3 spaces filled with spaces. Okay, clear?
Yes. Yes.
So I'm moving, it is my numeric data type with 7 bytes. But I'm allocating how many bytes of memory? 3 bytes of memory, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So B variable numeric with 4 bytes, values zeros. Now I'm moving which variable? B variable. B value data is what? 0. Okay, B value data is what? 0 to A variable. So I'm moving B to A. If I display A and B, I can see zeros in the value A, zeros in the value B. Okay. Why 4 zeros and 7 zeros means my
Picture.
picture class length for B is 4 bytes and picture class length bytes for A
7.
is 7 for A. Okay.
Yes.
That's why I can see 7 zeros in A and 4 zeros in B. Okay. Clear.
Yes, one.
So I'm storing alphanumeric data type with 10 bytes of memory. My data is mainframes. So another variable alphanumeric 17 bytes. My data is hi friends, welcome. So I'm moving WSA to B. So a destination will be impacted now. So all the data in the destination hi friends, welcome will be impacted to with mainframes of 10 bytes and remaining 7 spaces filled with spaces. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
one.
This is about the relative move. Okay.
Yes.
So in relative move we have a typecasting also. Means type conversion. Okay.
Yes.
So converting one data variable value into another data variable value means we are moving from one data type to different data. Okay. By using move statement, relative move only, we can perform this typecasting and type conversion. Okay. In COBOL, there are 6 types of type conversions: numeric to alphabetic, numeric to alphanumeric. Okay. And alphabetic to numeric, alphabetic to alphanumeric, and alphanumeric to numeric, numeric to alphanumeric. Okay. So the first one is what? Numeric to alphabetic. What is the first one? Numeric to alphabetic. Okay. So I am declaring numeric variable 10 with the 2 bytes of memory and values 10. Alphabetic 2 bytes of memory with spaces. Okay. Now I am moving A to B. Display A and B. Okay. So here I am getting the compilation error makes it 12. So what is the root cause for this is compatibility rule is failed in copying numeric data to alphabetic data. Okay. If I
Yes,
am
one.
copying numeric to alphabetic, what is my output? Compilation error maxi 12. Okay. Here compatibility rule is failed. Okay.
Oh,
Understand or not?
once again, Manu, please.
Yes.
Explain once again.
What?
Explain it once again.
So, in this relative move, what we have performed till now.
Yes, this one only, like the typecasting now we are doing.
Yes,
First one.
we performed alphanumeric to alphanumeric, right?
Yes.
And numeric to numeric, and
Yes.
again alphanumeric to numeric. Okay, we performed till now with same data types. Okay,
Yes.
but now we are converting that typecasting means
Yes.
one data type to different data type,
Yes.
numeric to alphabetic. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm copying A to B means moving A to B. A and B are different data types.
Yes.
One is numeric, another one is alphabetic.
Alphabetic.
So if you are performing alphabet numeric to alphabetic, we can face compilation error max equal. Why? Because means compatibility rule is failed.
Failed.
We can't move numeric data with to alphabetic data. So in numeric, what are the ranges? I mean, what are the digits we can write? Only 0 to 9, right?
Yeah, 0 to 9.
In alphabetic, we can write capital. Yes. So we can, in alphabetic, we can write capitals A to Z, smalls A to Z. Okay.
Yes.
So we can't move numeric data to alphabetic data. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Understand?
Yes.
Shamla ma'am.
Yes, Mani, understood.
Okay. So one more, we are typecasting numeric to alphabetic. Okay. My variable that A value is what? Numeric with 2 bytes value 10. B alphanumeric 2 bytes spaces. So I'm moving A to B. So what is the value in the A? 10. So I can see 10 in the B value. Why? Because in alphanumeric it is a combination of,
Alphabet and numeric value.
yes. So we can write numeric data in the alphanumeric data also. Okay.
Okay.
So here copy it. So again, I'm moving what? Alphabetic to numeric.
Numeric.
So in this case also, same previously I said what? Compilation error max equal compatibility rule failed. So
Yeah.
numeric
It,
to alphabetic and alphabetic to numeric, in these two cases, they are facing compilation error max equal. Why? Because compatibility rule is failed.
failed.
So we can't store alphabetic data A to Z values into the numeric field. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So alphabetic to alphanumeric. Okay. So what is my data in the alphabetic? COBO and alphanumeric spaces. Moving A to B, I can see COBO in A value and COBO in B value. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what is this alphanumeric and numeric?
Numeric.
So you have to focus here. So what is my data type? Alphanumeric with 4 bytes. My data is what? COB1. Okay.
Okay.
COB1. Okay. Now what is my B data type? 9 with 5 bytes. Okay. 9 with 5 bytes. 0. I'm moving A to B. Okay. So in the output area, I can see COB1. B value also COB1. Okay.
Yes.
So there is a note point. So while copying alphanumeric x to numeric 9, okay, variable, clear? While copying alphanumeric to numeric variable. So if alphanumeric variable last position is or character, last position is character. Okay. So
Means
wait.
last position is alphabet.
Yes.
Okay.
So last position is what? Character in your alphanumeric data. So then it will replace with numbers between 0 to 9 in the numeric variable. In this numeric variable, it will replace with 0 to 9. If your alphanumeric data last character is alphabetic. Okay. Here, what is my last character in the alphanumeric? 1. Right.
Yes.
What is my last character in the alphanumeric? It is 1.
1.
So
Yes.
it is replaced with 1 only.
If it will be
If it is
combo, then
a character, means A to Z, any character, the last character in the numeric B data will be replaced with any number 0 to 9, based like a random number. Okay.
okay. So suppose money in place of alphanumeric x picture clause 5 value COBOL. Then if we will move the statement to B, then it will be COBO and any random number.
Yes. In the next example, you can see. See, alphanumeric 5 bits. My data is what? COBOL.
Okay.
Numeric 5 bytes zeros. So I am moving COBOL. So what is my last character?
L.
Alphabetic. So this last character in the numeric field replace with what? Any number 0 to 9.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So my variable A. Now what is my data? What is my data here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So what is my last character? What is my last character?
5, 1.
Numeric 5. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it will replace with same. If
Same.
it is a numeric, see, if it is a numeric, it will copy same. If it is a alphabetic only, replace with any number 0 to 9.
Okay. And if there is nothing like not alphabetic and not numeric, then at the
Then
5th position, then
you can see, wait. So what is my data here? DB2. So my numeric data is also DB, 3 bytes only. My last character is numeric, so I can copy DB to DB2. Okay.
yes, correct only.
So, okay. Now, what is my picture class length here? In
4,
alphanumeric 4. So, what is my data?
3,
DB2.
2. Yes, 3 pitch.
Right. So, what is my length here?
3 only.
Picture class length?
4.
So, the last character is filled with what?
Any of the, I guess,
Space.
sorry,
Space.
space.
My picture class length is what? 4. I am
Yes.
providing only 3 bytes. The remaining
Yeah.
1 byte is filled with space.
Yes.
So my numeric data 4 bytes of memory moving WSA to B. So in display I can see DB to space. If you display WSA, okay.
Yes.
So it will display DB2 and the last character is what? Space. So the space is filled with any number in between 0 to 9.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shamla ma'am.
Yes, Mani.
Okay, the last character is what? Space. So the space is filled with 0 to 9. Okay. So here what is my... So till now we are following the same picture class length. Right?
Yes.
So now what is my picture class length is here 6 bytes.
6.
So I am providing DB to CBL. Okay, 6 bytes of memory only I am providing. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then this is my numeric data with 3 bytes. How many bytes?
3
3.
bytes, ma'am.
3 bytes. So I'm moving WSA to WSB. So if I display WSA, I can see that DB to CBL. So if I display WSB, I can see CB, and what is my last character here? L now. So
L.
the L will replace with 0 to 9. So the remaining data DB2 is truncated. Why?
Yes.
Why?
As it follows
Yes,
left justification.
right justification.
Huh?
Numeric follows which justification?
Right. Right
Right,
justification.
right justification. So this is my data. Okay. Now for the first time, what is my data? D here. So D stored in the first line and D move to second position. DB will be stored and D move to third position. DB2 will be stored. Okay. Next, D will be truncated. So B to C will be
Okay.
stored and DB will be truncated to C. 2CB will be stored and DB2 will be truncated.
Now CB and random will be
B will be stored and what is my last character? L. So that
9.
L will be replaced with what?
0 to 9
Any
and
number 0 to 9 number. Okay. CBL, CB and last character is L. So it will replace with any number 0 to 9 in between. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So any doubts in this uh, typecasting alphanumeric to numeric?
actually money.
Yes.
If the condition we you explain now, like the A
Which
the
one?
A character picture close length is 6. If the A picture close is less and B picture close is bigger, then
Where
suppose in instead of x6
oh,
9 3, suppose there will be x4 and 9 6, then
X4 and 96, it will be stored. And
okay, remaining this and the remain spaces.
remaining spaces, sir, we can like this only 0 to 9. You can check it.
Okay.
If you want, I will check it. So, so what are you asking? Like TP2 and here 9 bytes, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my God.
So numeric follows which justification? Right justification. So,
Right, just we get.
so the remaining first three spaces are filled with zeros and last character is L. So it will replace with 3. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay. 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 Once open the note, now, money. Go to up. Once up.
Which one?
Open one. This note only. Okay. Go up. Up.
Okay.
This only. This only. Like wait. Up. Up. Upper one.
Okay.
Yes. Here. COBN. COB1 is there, na?
Okay.
Yes. Here.
Hmm.
here we are converting alphanumeric to numeric. Okay.
Yes.
COB1 is given, and we are giving it in picture clause 5.
Yes.
Yes. So the output is COB1 only.
No, here 0.
0 will be there, na?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the thing I was asking.
I'm going to change the 50 plus 4. Okay.
Okay, correct. Okay.
So let's check it.
Yes.
4 and here 5. COB1, right?
1. Yes. I will.
Okay.
Now it's correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Clear your doubts?
Yeah, mine is.
Shamla ma'am, do you have any doubts?
No, man, till now, no.
Okay. So moving to next one. Alphanumeric to alphabetic. Okay.
Okay.
So what is my data type? Alphanumeric, and moving to alphabetic. What is my data? CO12. So it will move WSA to WSB. So it will move CO1 to CO12. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm moving COBOL to alphabetic. So COBOL will be moved. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm moving alphanumeric. My data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm moving to alphabetic spaces A to B. Display WSB. I can move I can see on output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So here my picture class lengths all are in equal only. 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. So in the last case, I am changing my picture class length. So my picture class length for alphanumeric is what? 5. My data is 5 bytes of memory, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And moving to alphabetic, 3 bytes of memory. Okay, move WSA to B. So in display, I can see WSA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In B, I can see only 1, 2, 3. Why?
4, 5 is truncated.
Yes, it follows the left justification
Left justification.
like this. So it follows the left justification. So 1, 2, 3 will be stored and 4, 5 will be truncated.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So any doubts?
No, ma'am.